Thank you very much all for joining. This is MG Sports TV. This is match day 5 as the anthem is being played. Alright, as the meet and greet party starts off. Thank you all for tuning in. As the teams prepare for the coin toss, both captains. Big smile from the Racing United team with the captain. As I said, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. This is match day 5 of the Jamaica Football Championship. Broadcast brought to you by Mile 8 Sport, as we look to kick off in fine style. A little huddle there from the Chapleton Maroon team. The kickoff should have been at 3 p.m. Just a slight delay, but we are still in proximity of the timings that we should have the kickoff. Chapleton Maroon team are just finally get the approach to do the team photo. Referee looking at his time keenly. Chapleton Maroon in the white and maroon color, whilst Racing United is in the full yellow. Maroon socks, white and maroon top, white shorts is the Chapleton Maroon. Racing United, yellow socks, yellow shorts and yellow top. Stand over there and we're off. And we are off with the kickoff. Race United starts off. Here comes Chapleton Maroon in possession. Ricketts. They certainly, as mentioned, should be a fairly good exercise. We should see some good football. Referee didn't see anything there. Here's come Bashwa. Intercepted there nicely by the defender. Look for support. I think he received support. Could not take that one in his stride. comes Johnson. Finds Ellis. Big switch from Ellis to Matthias. Matthias to Walters. Walters to Walker. Walker cuts inside. Trying to go inside. Nice piece of football here from Chapleton Maroon. Drives forward. Nice work there. And he's taken down. The moment Pinnock lifts his head up, taken down in his stride. Good delivery there, inside of the back post. Clearance here. Howell. Christian, but didn't come off as though he wanted it to. Ray Campbell with a nice delivery. Good delivery from Ray Campbell to the back post. Is there a ball issue? Ball boy, just come back. Goal kick here to be taken by Swearing. Reese United trying to play out from the back. Pass inside. Nice pass here from Joel. That's a one-time switch trying to find Bashko. Can Bashko get around here? No, we can't. As Ricketts was there. Fine, Plunkett. Oh, giving away from Plunkett to Bashko. Ricketts in a bit of problems. Ricketts and Plunkett arguing with each other. Definitely feel like something could have happened there for Racing. Whipped in there from Ellis. Nice clearance there from. That's good football here. Really, really good football from Maroons. And nice work there. And it's out. There's some good football from Maroons. Looking real competent as early as possible. Walker to take the throw. Here comes Basco. Walker. Walker plays that one inside. Joel put the defender on a bit of problem. Walker knocked that one back down again. Taking away Ellis. Switches the play. Nice switch. One time pass over there to find Pringle. And he kept it inside and wins the throw. All there. Free kick to Chapleton Maroon team. Ellis, not a good pass here from Ellis. There's actually 3 Ellis on the field. Javel Ellis and Nikai Ellis. Long pass here from Ellis again. Good work there from Jamari Howell. Get in behind. Walters had to take him down. Is it Walters? No, it's not Walters. It's actually Matthias. Matthias had to take him down there. Campbell goes across to do the delivery. He's a set piece specialist at this moment. Referee sees a bit of infringement as he calls them aside. A bit of warning there. It's Ricketts. And Valentine. Here comes now, referee gives the go ahead. Campbell whips that one in. That's a nice delivery. Dealt with at the front post by Nicole Ellis. Campbell's Burgess off Pringle off the ball. Referee see another infringement. Referee said penalty. It said a penalty. What happened there? Referee said a shove in the back actually and points to the penalty spot. I didn't see what happened actually. I'm a bit bamboozled at this moment. Kimo Dyer takes up the ball to take the responsibility. As the referee said that there was some infringement. I remember earlier the referee did call away the two players and said, you should definitely just calm down the situation. Apparently they didn't. So Dyer steps up to take this one. Goes. That's a beautiful finish from Dyer. Chelsea. And Dyer puts that one away. Chelsea. Catch him with the mass. That's a wonderful finish by Dyer. Brilliant finish by Dyer. The referee starts play. SCF Racing has a reply here. Here comes Chapleton again. Earlier as 8 minutes into the game, it is Racing United 0, Chapleton Maroons 1. It's going to be a tough to turby day for the Racing United team, and I do believe that Chapleton Maroons would have carried themselves here with a demeanor knowing that this won't be an easy game. Nonetheless, both teams have a lot of professionals in it, so they expect to perform despite the circumstances. Pass over the top, trying to find Bashko. Bashko plays a one-time pass to Walker. Good defensive work by Ricketts. Long throw inside. Ricketts again. Cleans that one up. Here comes Johnson trying to find Bashko. Can Bashko hold that one in? And good work by Bashko. And the official flags for a goal kick. Actually a good start in the first half actually. I know a lot of persons will be wondering, is it really a penalty? But the referee did call out the players and said no more shoving it, and he made the decision that none of it, he will not have any of it throughout the 90 minutes of football. And apparently he takes the responsibility, said, hey, I give us a beautiful pass inside. Walker, good defensive work there by Walker as he gets back. Matthias, no. High press here from the Chapleton Maroons team. That's a pass inside, it's a beautiful pass. Here comes, and the flag goes up for offside, and that was, and I can't believe, I don't know what happened. Flag goes up, the fans are going crazy because the player who's received the ball appears to not be offside, but interesting, very interesting. Here comes the restart. Chapleton Maroons. Pass inside, a heavy touch. Pringle. Nice switch there to Campbell. Touch inside. Oh, taken away again. Chapleton Maroons applying a lot of pressure on Racing United. Nice work, poor forward there from Dyer. One touch inside. Chapleton Maroons with a lot of possession. Nice work again. Chapleton Maroons still applying pressure to Racing United team. Ricketts as he finds Campbell. Nice bit of play here. Ricketts looks inside. Pinnock is always free. Didn't control that one. Here comes Basco. Couldn't keep that one inside. This is definitely a good matchup with both teams. Pass inside. Pinnock couldn't pick up on that one. Nice turn from Walters as he finds Walker wide. One time pass from Walker. Chip pass in and around. Swearing to Walters. Trying to find Basco. Basco takes it nicely. Walker is there, and Walker trips over his whole leg. Chapleton again. Pick. Basco pick. Nice right. Here comes. Oh, nice pass from Joel to find. Beautiful pass from Ellis outside wide. Here comes Pringle. Looks for support. Support is here. Back to Pringle. Can you whip that one in? From Pringle. Cuts it. Good delivery. And clearance by Ricketts at the back post. Dyer caused some problems. Walters take that one nicely. Nice pass from Walters. Good link up here from Walters and Walker. Matthias back to Walters. Pass inside from Walters to Basco. And he's taken down. Shooting back. That's happening multiple times now. Walters to take this one. Johnson. Basco. Nice pass from Basco to Walker. Walker pays the side to Johnson. He looks across. Nice pass to find Joel. Couldn't take that one. My apologies, it's Cole. Javon Cole. I keep on saying Joel. Chip pass here to Johnson. Clearance by Ricketts. Here comes Dyer. Dyer versus Walters. Good work there. Johnson now again. Walters is there for support. To find Basco. Basco looks up. Goes to the byline. Taken away. Easily gets around him. And he's taken down. Johnson. Pass to the back post. Here comes Pinnock. Clearance here. Chapleton is under a bit of pressure here. I do apologize for the expletives you might hear coming out. Campbell to take this one. Oh no, Ricketts steps up. Here, nice pass here now. Ricketts as Chapleton Maroon look to apply some pressure. Christian goes out wide. Fine, Ellis goes inside. Here comes Chapleton Maroon's ball given away from by Pinnock. Pringle as he looks for support. Pass inside. Here comes Pringle again. Tall figure. Clearance by Ellis. take it down. Ellis again. Back to Ellis. Both Ellis are linking up fairly nicely. Nice work. And he's taken down. Referee said there's a foul. Free kick here. Shot from way out, hits the wall. Here comes Cole. Cuts it back. And he's taken down. He's taken down there by Dyer. Quick free kick taken nicely. Whip to the back post. Basco. Basco with a kick. And it's a beautiful work by Basco. Brilliant work by Java and Basco. Brilliant work by Basco as he sets racing level in the 17th minute of the game. That's actually some really good work from Basco though. On his debut for Racing United, he finds the back of the net. Brilliant bit of play here from Racing United to get back into the game. Here comes where set up back and play. Racing refused to lie down at home. Ellis. Pass out of play. As the tempo of this game is quite nice, really intense. And that's a shove in the back. Referee said nothing there. Here comes Cole. Goes in between two players. Johnson. Back to Cole. Cole with a one-time switch to find Bashko. Walker trying to get involved there. Here comes Ricketts. Looks inside. He's fine pin up. Ellis. Support is there in the form of Valentine. Valentine trying to find Bashko. Bashko chips that one over to Walker. Walker looking for this big switch. Can he find it? Keeps that one in, and Ricketts knocked it out. As I said, people, thank you very much for tuning in. This is match day 5 of the Jamaica Football Championship. Racing United versus Chapleton Maroon. Long throw in. Nice turn there by Valentine. Bashko, back pass here. Walkout tried to find Bashko, but unfortunately couldn't find Bashko. You go on. Here comes Walker with a switch to the back post. Pringle is there, and that one would have gone out of play. It is 20 minutes of play so far. Race United 1, Chapleton Maroons 1. Pretty good football. Broadcast is brought to you by Mile 8 Sport. Chapleton Maroons. That's a beautiful pass. It's not out. That's good work from Morgan. Walters take it away. Switch here from Valentine. Goes over to Walters. Walker is in support. Inside channel, that's to Cole. Here comes Cole. Goes inside. That's nice work from Cole again. As Johnson tries to take that one. Here comes Pinnock from Chapleton for the Maroons. Ellis. Nice pass here to Dyer. Pinnock again. Really good player, Pinnock is. Very clean and tidy on the ball. Pinnock lifts his head up. Link up play between Pinnock and Owell. Trying to make something happen there. Ball not out as Valentine applies pressure. Both Valentine and Ellis applies pressure. And it goes out for a corner. Actually, I thought that he didn't know that the ball came off him. Apparently it did. As Campbell steps across to take this one. So far it's obvious that he's a set piece specialist in the team. All free kicks or dead balls would have gone to in his possession. Corner here, will there be another infringement? That's a good delivery to the back post. Unfortunately, it's not as good as I thought initially. Free kick to Racing United. Racing United getting back into the game after going a goal down early out in the game. As early as 8 minutes into the game. And getting back in line through a goal from Javon Basco on his debut, a former player of the... He's not new to the football championship, formerly Jamaica Tier 2 football. He's not new to this competition because last season he was one of the star men for the True Juice Football Club team. Would have tried to help them seek premiership. Appearance. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. But he's here this season with Racing United. Let's see if he can get that task done. So far, he has registered himself on goal for the first game. Referee said there's nothing in that. Harsh tackle there by Ricketts. Nice pass here. Here comes Dyer. Nice start. Good player. Nice attempt from Ellis trying to find Pinnock, who's trying to get in behind. Walters goes inside to find Johnson. Johnson. Valentine. Good touch there from Basco again. Here comes Johnson. Cole. And it goes out to Basco. Here comes Walker. To Basco. Oh, it's Johnson. Walker goes out wide. Looking to get that delivery in. Struggles to keep the ball in. Unfortunately, the ball goes out. Not a good start from Walker. I've seen him with better days. Walker goes out for a throw. Decent build up from the racing team, unfortunately. It just goes out carelessly by a poor touch from Walker. Long throw. Johnson. Lob pass in behind to find Walker. Walker goes for a driven pass across the goal. Hard. As they said, if you're unsure, you whip that ball as hard as possible across the goal. The defender was quite aware. Put that one in behind. But that was actually a very good delivery. DeAndre Johnson, last game out, he was really, really brilliant, and he started off this game in the same fashion. Whipped inside by Cole. It's Ellis, actually. Valentine. Back out to Ellis. Ellis trying to drag the ball there. Taken away by next Ellis. So it's Ellis versus Ellis here. Back inside. Poor clearance here. It's Basco again. Basco taken down. And it's a penalty. Nice work from Javian Basco. And it's yellow, and it's a yellow card to Plunkett. A yellow card to Plunkett as Basco cuts inside, take the goalkeeper out of the equation. And just as the goalkeeper get out of the equation, he put himself back in by pulling Basco down. And it is a penalty awarded to Racing United. Basco heavily involved so far. And this, remember people, this is actually his debut. This is his debut. What a debut performance from Javain Basco. Brilliant. As a bit of medical attention is being given to Basco at this moment. Let's see who's going to take the penalty. Cole stands over it. He's the lead marksman so far for Racing United. Oh, information is that Basco already played for the Racing team. But is that so? Interesting. Cole stands over this one. Plunkett trying to play a bit of mind games with Cole. An opportunity here to put Racing ahead. Oh, that's a good try by Plunkett and a brilliant finish from Javan Cole. Brilliant finish from Cole. Nicely done there. As Cole put Racing United in front. Chapleton Maroons. This is not unfamiliar territory. Last season they were in the Premier League and I do believe that they would have gone behind quite a few times and had to fight to come back. This is a lower tier. Let's see if they can find that energy and width of experience to get back into this game. Here comes Chapleton Maroons now. Ricketts. Pass inside, nice work. Here comes Chapleton Maroons as they try to get involved. Oh, he's taken down. That's a poor challenge. And Basco is still through. Pass here to Ellis. Ellis finds Pringle. Pringle back to Ellis. Ellis with a shot and it's a poor shot from Nikai Ellis. Poor shot from Nikai Ellis. As that challenge was a little bit too aggressive. As Cole was taken out and at this moment he lie flat on the ground out Cole. If you're just joining us, we're half an hour into the game. It's Racing United versus Chapleton Maroons. Racing United lead 2-1. Dyer opened up the goal scoring sheet for Chapleton Maroons in the 8th minute. A reply from Racing United through Javain Basco, and then from the penalty spot, Javain Cole. Here comes a corner here. Good delivery. Pringle stands behind that one. Shot there, goes straight to the goalkeeper. As Danny Black, first I'm seeing him. Was a bit silent throughout the first 20 minutes of the game. First big impact from Black. Another corner to Racing United. The pressure is on. Ellis stands over this one. Whips that in to the back post. Actually a good delivery again. Taken down nicely. Here comes Black. From way out. Cole. Whip that one out for us. Ellis. Pringle. Lifts up to Ellis. Oh my word. Beautiful work there from Ellis. Oh my God. That's some good football. Nice work from Walters. Valentine. Show of strength from Valentine as they walk through three of them. Trying to find it's Anis Basco again. And Basco is stripped down. And referee said nothing this time. Here comes Campbell. Pinnock. Dyer. Support is there. Dyer again. And he's finding Ricketts. Campbell. Back to Ricketts. Valentine. Look for support. Goes back to the defense. Nice pass out wide. Switch a point of attack. And no one was reading that one. Here comes Chapleton Maroons. And he's taken down. The referee said foul. Trying to play the advantage. Didn't play it. Didn't get it actually. As you can hear the cry, it seems as if he got a real bad touch. It's Morgan who's down. Good delivery. Clearance here. Nice touch from Cole. Here comes Pinnock. Goes out wide to Campbell. On his favourite foot, left foot. Goes inside. That's actually a good touch. Dyer. And it's a good defensive work. Brilliant defensive work there from Valentine. Because Dyer was there to latch onto that one. Inside to Dyer. He's a really good player, holding up the ball. Campbell whipped inside to the back post. And nice work there from the goalkeeper. As Owl leaps inside to try and get a head on that one, on goal. Booted out. Ricketts is under it. Pringle stands his ground. Nice touch from Pringle. Ricketts is there. Nice work from Ricketts. And from Pringle, my apologies, as Ricketts nipped on the ankle and receives a yellow card for his troubles. Receives a yellow card for his troubles. As Walker stands over the set piece to take it. Go on, bro. Whipped inside to the back post. Ellis. Oh, taken away from him. And here comes Owell now. Over the top. Here comes Dyer. And clearance here by Matthias. About 3 players are down. Ellis is down. And I think also Black is down. As we approach the half time, I think it's actually a really good first half. Just joining us, people, is Racing United, the home team, versus Chapleton Maroon. Racing United in the full yellow, while Chapleton Maroon in the maroon and white. The scoreline as it stands is Racing United 2, Chapleton Maroons 1. Goal scorer is Dyer for Chapleton Maroon from the penalty spot. Kimoy Dyer. And an equalizer from Javon Basco, and then the penalty spot goal taken by Javon Cole to put Racing United in front. It is the Jamaica Football Championship, match day 5. You're watching MG Sports TV. I'm your commentator, Mario Dakers. Broadcast brought to you by Mile 8 Sport. Thank you to our sponsors. Here comes Racing in possession as restarts play. Switch a point of attack from Maroons. Turn back and play back to Ricketts. Switch, unfortunately, go straight to the goalkeeper, Swearing. Here comes Matthias, giving away. Chapleton Maroons now. That's a nice pass. Lovely take by. Beautiful work. Here comes Chapleton Maroons. Cuts inside. And Matthias doing the defensive duty there. Nice turn by Basco. And he goes across and taking down straight right in front of the referee. Couldn't miss that one. Nicely taken by Basco. Basco causing a lot of problems to the Chapleton Maroons team in the midfield. Matthias goes long. Basco. Here comes Ellis. Pringle. Inside to Johnson. And he goes out for a throw. Intense pressure being applied. By Ellis. Nice work by Walker. As he gets ahead of 10. Walker whipped inside. That's a good delivery. Plunkett was there, equal to the task. Thrown out by Plunkett. Stephens. Malik. Pretty absent figure. tall structure there. Pass inside, unfortunately. Not a good pass. Goes out of play. Tremaine Williamson. Possibly the tallest player on the pitch. I think the only player would have been match his height would have been Plunkett. It's a tall frame. Take a bit long. Here comes Stephens. Malik. They look for support. Referee said foul. Set piece here. Free kick to Chapleton Maroons. Can they capitalize on this one? Whipped inside to the back post. Actually a good delivery. And he did not do much with it. The keeper was beaten. Campbell was there. Ricketts was there. Neither party made use of the opportunity. Actually a big opportunity because the keeper would have left his line and gotten beaten. Luckily, neither Campbell nor Ricketts did anything correctly in that situation. Goalkeeper swearing to whip this one out. Drop shot. DeAndre. Pass, nice pass from Cole. Kept in by Pringle, and Pringle didn't do well with that one. Here comes Ricketts. Forward there from Chapleton. Both Campbell and Ricketts again. Both of them not linking up too well there. Communication seems to be slightly off. Here comes Pringle. Goes inside. Looks for support. Trying to find Cole. Taken away. Here comes Malik. A really good play actually. Malik again. Nice pass from Malik out wide. Just trying to apply some pressure onto the defense of the Race United team. Malik with a switch. That's a beautiful switch here to find 10. 10 in possession. 10 lifts up his head. Shot there and soft shot from Dyer. Practically a pass to the goalkeeper. Ellis again. Fine 10. Poor touch from 10. Here comes Cole. Goes out wide. Down the line to find Pringle. It's not Pringle, my apologies, it's Basco. Referee saw an infringement there. Referee puts his hand up for 2 minutes at a time. Free kick here, whipped inside, nice delivery, and it's taken down. Clearance off the line. Cole to not that one in. Ball is in the air, still in the air. Still haven't settled as yet. Walters straight to the goalkeeper. And the goalkeeper claims that one pretty easily. Booted out long by the goalkeeper. Here comes Chapleton Maroons. Again, nice work there. Here comes Malik. Whipped inside. Another beautiful delivery. Onto 10. Goes inside with a shot. Good work there by Walker. Pringle. Here comes Pringle showing some pace. Goes inside. And it's taken down. That's good work from Campbell actually. That's actually referee said it's a foul. Free kick to the Race United team. They should go 3 goals up or 2 goals with a 2-goal deficit. I think that we call it game, but let's see. Pass from Walker to the back post. Straight to Williams. Knotted out by Owell. Whipped inside again to the back post. Trying to find Pringle. Pringle has support there. Goes around. It's Walker. Walker with that one, and again Ellis as he climbs high. And the referee said that is it. At half time it is Racing United 1. Racing United 2, my apologies, Chapleton Maroon 1. As the game called off by the referee for the first half. Pretty good first half, I have to say. Really, really entertaining first half. A lot to be said about the first half, actually. Early goals, penalties, 2 penalties actually, and 2 teams showing a bit of quality in both halves of the pitch, up front, in the defense, and the attacking third. No, a penalty. You think you want to take the knife off? Eh? Oh, yeah, I agree with that. Internal flat, internal. And we're back for the second half, people. We are back for the second half. Match day 5 of the Jamaica Football Championship. At half time it is Racing United 2, Chapleton Maroons 1. Very interesting, really interesting first half of football, I have to say. Entertaining bits of football. Let's see if there's going to be any change in the second half. Any difference maker. So far, the first half has pretty much been an even encounter. Chances going both ways. Chances being fluffed by both teams. Let's see what's going to happen here now. Let's see if there's going to be any difference. As Chapleton Maroons stand over the ball to restart the play. It is Dyer, Pinnock, set to kick off. Referee looks at his watch, and we're off for the second half of this encounter. Let's see if there's going to be any changes. Switch of play here. Christian goes inside. Valentine. Oh, Johnson, my apologies. Here comes Ellis. Goes out wide to Cole. Cole lifts his head up, goes out wide to Pringle. Holds up the ball. Walker with a switch inside, straight to the palm of the goalkeeper, Plunkett. Collects that one quite easily. Distribution by Plunkett, it goes long. Here comes 10. Nice work there from 10. Looks inside, goes across the goal, and no one is there. Nice work from Howell, but no one in support. Basco. Cole is there to help Basco. Over the top, trying to find Cole. That's not where he would ideally want that one. Nice work from Cole as he skips the attacker, the defender. Basco. Black goes inside to Johnson. Back to Black. Black is here in support. Oh, given away. One by Ellis as he goes across trying to find 10. Goes out wide. Walker. Pringle ascendancy now. Cuts inside. Ellis is there. Support comes around. Here's Walker. Walker with a whip inside. Plays it off nice. Here comes Ellis. Back. And it goes. A wild kick there from Johnson. Plunkett goes out wide to Ricketts. Inside. Walker intercepts it. Here comes Cole. Goes for a shot. Good defensive work from Howell. Coming deep back. Not sure what was that. Nice work there. Here comes Vasco. Goes inside. Fine, Ellis. Ellis on top. Goes for a shot. Straight to the goalkeeper. Struggle to keep that one. Plunk it goes long. Free kick. Whipped inside to the back post. Dyer is there. Malik is there as well. Malik goes inside to 10. Basco. Nice pass. Trying to launch. Cole inside. As Christian takes that one up, finds Ricketts. Ricketts goes long. Clearance by Matthias. And Ricketts knocked that one out. Here comes Walker. Goes long over the top to find Ellis. Campbell. As Campbell boots that one out. Goes off for a throw. Ricketts goes inside, find 10. And taken away. Nice work here. Here comes Dyer. Oh, fortunately, couldn't find the end product to that one. No end product there from Dyer. Beats one and beats two. Get inside the box. Just lacking or missing the end product. Keeper boosts this one out as he goes long. Cole. Malik. Nice work from Malik. It's a good tackle. Here comes Ellis. Oh, nice work from Ellis. Taken down in his stride. Referee said nothing in that one. As Walker stands strong in the right back position. Chapleton Maroon is now pushing harder to get themselves back into the game. Ricketts. Walker boosts that one out. As Chapleton Maroons push a bit higher up the pitch, forcing racing back. Over the top. Nicely done by Walker. Knocked that one out. But just joined us, people. We're at the Prison Oval Sports Complex, where Race United takes on Chapleton Maroon in the Jamaica Football Championship. Scoreline: Race United 2, Chapleton Maroon 1. Three goals scored in the first half. You're watching everything here live on MG Sports TV. Broadcast brought to you by Mile 8 Sports. Issue with the ball there. drop ball situation there as they change the ball. Ricketts go to the back post, straight into the goalkeeper's palm. Early launch. Inside again to find Cole. Nice work from Cole. Very, very active player. Johnson. Good pass from Johnson. Pringle was not reading that one. Plunkett goes out wide to Asani. Ricketts. Campbell. Ricketts again. Inside to find Morgan. My apologies, Howell, actually. I was taking in his stride. Referee giving a final warning to Johnson, DeAndre Johnson. Ricketts stands over this one. Chip inside the box, goalkeeper would come. Nice work from Ellis. Here comes Springer. 10 takes him on. Pringle. Nice pass from Pringle inside this Johnson. Johnson with a shot. Trying to curl that one to the back post. That's actually good intent. Just that it was in a rocking chair. Here comes Racing United again. Just retaining a bit of possession. Open up the pitch a bit wider. Pringle. Pringle again in possession. Still in possession. Taken away. Here comes Malik. Very, very quick. Free kick here as referee sees an infringement. Free kick to be taken by 10. As he looks to whip this one in. That's actually a good delivery to the back post. Oh, clear header. Point blank header. And Christian did not take advantage of that one. Opportunity missed there by Chapleton Maroon, so equalize the match. Swearing goes long. Good work there by Campbell. He leaped over Basco. Nice work there. Inside. Here comes Cole. Racing again. In the ascendancy. Johnson. Nice stands there. Fortunately, referee said, no, it's illegal. Ellis. Goes out wide. Takes too long. Pass inside. Nice pass out wide. Intercepted by the defenders of Chapleton Maroon. Oh, that's a poor pass. Approach our mark of this game. Inside, nice pass. Intercepted. Here comes Cole. Can he catch this one? Nice work there from Williamson. Switch of play here. Trying to find 10. Can he keep it in? Unfortunately, he can't. Black. Put that one in. Basco goes around. Oh, and he's taken out. Get a one in there. Nice. Here comes 10. Taken away there from 10. Maybe holding on to the ball a little bit too much. Chapleton Maroons add a little bit of momentum here. Perfect opportunity to make use of it. Whipped inside. Clearance here. Straight to Osana Ricketts. Back to Plunkett. He has support. Ricketts is there. Christian is also there. Goes inside to find Malik. Back to Osani. Nice pass inside from Osani. Switch up play here to 10. Johnson. Nice pass from Johnson. Here comes Cole. Soft. Malik goes out wide. Here comes Chapleton Maroon. Goes inside. Goes across. And ball is taken away quite easily there by Valentino. Here comes Basco. Goes ahead of Williamson. Williams is there, is late. Basco. Look for support. Puts it on his right foot. Deliver to the back post. Oh, and here comes Pringle. Maybe arriving a bit too early. Just a bit too early. Ricketts dribble this one out. Boot that one down back. Both teams trying to, I don't think any team so far stamped their authority on the game. I think the game is widely open. Especially at the point where we're in the second half now, where I do think a team need to take the game up in hand. Here comes Chapleton Maroon. That's a crossing. A nice cross inside. 10. And a chance for 10. And the keeper swearing. And Black miscommunication. Chapleton Maroon's got another opportunity. Opportunities coming begging. Here comes Vasco. Inside to Cole. Here comes Ricketts. Malik. Ellis goes out wide to find Pringle. Support is there. Horrible ball here from Pringle. Here comes Dyer. Problematic. Here comes Dyer. Looks up to take his shot and he's taken down. And Dyer, as he locks onto target and about to whip that one towards goal. Valentine just a small clip on the ankle to take him out of stride. For him to not get the perfect lock on target. And no eyes open wide a minute ago. Free kick here to the Chapleton Maroon team. 10 stands over it. Malik stands over it. I think they would want to go at goal for this one. Let's see what's going to happen here. Referee lead another warning. And 10 is going to take it. Goes at goal, straight into the wall. Switch inside. Keeper should hold this one nicely. Ooh. And the keeper, he fumbles again. Some trouble there. Keeper. Here comes Bosco. Bosco on the attack. In the ascendancy. Goes inside. Ellis. Goes out wide to Pringle. Ellis is on top. Which is a good switch here. Here comes Black. And it's Bosco with a shot. Goes out to Pringle. Ellis on top. Ellis. Pass inside. Here comes Cole. Will he shoot? What's going on there? And nothing comes from that one. Nice work from Christian. Really good work from Christian. Walters intercepts. Here comes Walker to take the throw. Pringle. Switch here to find Bosco at the back post. Unfortunately, goes out of play. They just joined us live. We're at the Prison Oval Sports Centre. Here comes Williamson. Passing, so that's actually a nice pass. Black. Goes over. Nice take there. Malik. Nice word there to Ellis. Goes inside. That's actually lifts up Malik. And gets up. Malik goes out wide to 10. 10 goes in, gets across the box. As Ellis versus Johnson. Ellis takes this on away and referee said foul there. Here comes Bosco. Bosco versus Williamson. Black. To the back close. Poor work there. Poor decision from Black. Lynch. And it's Lynch. Cuts inside. That's actually a nice delivery. Here comes 10. 10 with a toe poke. And he goes high. Another missed opportunity by Chapleton Maroon. Definitely, you can clearly say that they got their fair share of opportunities. Here comes Lynch trying to take a stripe away from Ellis. Taking a stripe from Ellis at his home. But that would be interesting to see. Walker. Throw inside. Ellis again. Goes inside to find Valentino. Johnson out wide back to Walker. Walker with a big switch. Big switch here to Walker. as Basco goes for that one, unfortunately. Couldn't keep that one in. Basco walking with a limp though. It's clear that something wrong. Just a minute ago I see him stretching his grind, so maybe there could be some issues brewing there. Christian, as he pushes his team forward. Goes to Ricketts, out wide. Stevens come inside. Here comes Lynch. Lifts it up. 10. 10 goes over the top. And straight in the palm of the goalkeeper. Long throw out there to find Ellis. Ellis with a switch. And it's Basco. Pass inside to Johnson. Nice pass here to find back Black. Black is in possession. Support is there. And it's Basco. Inside to find Johnson. No one tracking Johnson. On top. Here comes Ellis. On top. Will he go for a shot? Ellis puts on the right foot. Cole. Pringle goes in. Puts on his favorite left foot. Goes for a shot. Opportunity came begging. No one wants to take it. Take the responsibility as Ellis drives across. Substitution here. Ellis, captain. It seems. Oh no, oh, my apologies. It's Williamson coming off. Still waiting on confirmation to see. Williamson came off and Plunkett. That's Sean Plunkett who came on. So Tremaine Williamson, one of the centre backs, coming off. Chapleton Maroons adding on another attacker. Corner here to Racer United as Ellis stands over it. Goes inside. Not the best delivery. Here comes Ellis. Goes for a delivery. Switch inside. Clearance here by Christian. What's been really good today. Here comes. Nice pass here. Basco with a shot. As the opportunities come begging. And Plunkett receives that one nicely. Or claims that one, I should say. Goes out long. Linton also came on. Over the top. Here comes Malik. 10. Goes to Christian. Goes out wide to Osana Ricketts. Support is there. Goes over the top. Fine. It's a good work there actually. Substitute Plunkett. Another substitution here by Racing. Javon Cole seems to be coming off. Third near to Racing United. Approaching a third of the game now. Throw into Racing United. They have the lead. That is necessary at this moment. Both teams struggling to gain some dominance over the game. Here comes Black for Racing United. Goes inside for a switch. Here comes Basco with a pass. Nice work there by Ricketts. Plunkett. No, it's actually Malik as he goes over the top to find. Goes inside. Nice work there from Walters. Nice work, real nice work from Walters. As Reed comes on. Good ball goes out. Chapleton Maroon now having Racing United press back in the entire half. Nice pass over to Plunkett. Lifts his head up. That's nice work from Plunkett. Good defensive work from Walters. Here comes the goalkeeper, and Basco tries to take that one. Here comes Christian. That's not a good pass. Cole. Taken away. Every touch here. Ellis, 10. Press the high intense press from Racing United. Plunkett. Goes out wide to Ricketts. Just one goal separating these two teams right now. He's taking the ball away and he plugs up on Reed, and that is a yellow card. Is he already on a yellow? No, he's not. That is his yellow card. It just came on. Actually smart move though, I have to say. A tactical foul, because that would definitely been a problematic situation to be in. Had he hadn't gone through. Just tuning in, people. It's the Jamaica Football Championship. Match day 5, Racing United versus Chapleton Maroons. Here at the Prison Oval Sports Complex. Free kick here to Chapleton Maroon, to Racing United. DeAndre Johnson stands over it. Goes at goal, straight into the wall. Goes for a second up and follow through. Fortunately, either of the shots were good enough. Clearance here by Walters. What's been rock solid for the Racing United team. Referee goes over to hand over a yellow card, it seems. one of the officials of the Chapleton Maroon team. Red card shown. The red card was shown there to one of the technical staff of the Chapleton Maroon team. Set to regain back some phase of play. Whipped inside. Christian was there. Reed is under it. Malik. First to the ball. Nice work from Malik. Beautiful football here from the Chapleton Maroons team. Here comes Lynch. Nice work. Chapleton Maroons actually playing some good football. Foul again. Pressure now being added on to the Racing United team. They're sitting off a bit deeper as we approach the final 10 minutes of the game. Chapleton Maroons pushing extremely hard for the equalizer. Whipped inside. That's a bit heavy. Straight in the palm of the goalkeeper. Block. Goalkeeper going hurl to block. Bashko is there. Nice pass here. Bashko inside to find Cole. Cole is there. Support. Ellis goes over to the back post and it's a lob. It's a brilliant save from the goalkeeper. And it must be in some problem there because he collided with the goal post. That's a brilliant save. My word. Massage therapists gonna have their work cut out for them this evening. As Plunkett is down, making a save, and so he collided with the goal post. As score lines are coming in, True Juice is now leading 1-0 versus Brownstone. Goalkeeper is up now, so that's a good sign. Corner. Referee warns the defender, no hugging of the player. That's actually a poor delivery by nice pass inside. Here comes Ellis. Johnson goes out wide. Over the top. Black couldn't get on that one. Reed on top, calling. Brown. Basco, referee said that's a foul. Nice work from Lynch. Chapleton Maroon now with the free kick. Still pushing to get the equalizer. So far, they have gotten few enough opportunities to do something about it. Just couldn't capitalize on it. Here comes 10. Switch to the back post. Pressure is still being applied here by Chapleton Maroon's team. Throwing here to Chapleton Maroons again. Bit of confusion there. Didn't know which side the ball would have gone to, or the throw would have gone to. Pass inside, nice work here. Flick around and unfortunately, bad decision. There's still something here for Chapleton Maroons, is only if they can create that gilt-edged chance. Not seen much of that so far. I've seen it from the Racing United team. Unfortunately, they are not taking the opportunities. So, see, Sawyers goes out. Here comes Chapleton Maroon. Goes out wide. Taken out in his stride. And it's a foul to Chapleton Maroon again in a dangerous position. Time and time again. Time and time again, the opportunity presents itself. Clearance here. Here comes Basco. Nice work there by Basco. Switch of play. Here comes Ellis. Goes out wide. Switching the point of attack. That's actually some good football by Racing. Ellis again. Nice work from Ellis. Nice. Good. Real good football from Racing United. Ooh, good defensive work there. Christian has been extremely busy this game. He's having actually a very good game. bit of showing off going on in front of us here, in front of the camera. That don't phase us though. Here comes Reed. 10. Good attempt there. Walters goes out wide. It's a nice attempt there trying to find Cole in behind. Malik took his eye off the ball here. Here comes Cole. The turn left. Whip to the back post. Here comes Bashko. And it's taken out of the play. And it's Bashko with a shot off goal. That was extremely selfish. That was extremely selfish. Very close. That could have been the finishing of this game. As on the 90th minute. Goes out wide. Here comes racing again. Cole inside. Cole. Oh, that's a beautiful finish. Brilliant finish. Brilliant finish. Brilliant. Wonderful turn and finish from Johnson. Oh my word. Beautiful work. That was magnificent. Beautifully taken. Glotch onto that one on the top of the edge of the box. Use his left foot and whip it in the bottom corner. Keeper had no chance. None whatsoever. As we're the seconds away from the final whistle. Really good performance here from this Racing United team. Here comes 10. Applying some pressure. Nice work from 10. As Basco with his defensive responsibility. Here comes Reed. Shot half goal from Plunkett. Inside. Here comes Chapleton Maroons with opportunity. Oh, that's a nice pass. Good attempt there. Racing not taking any prisoners. To approach the final minutes of the game. Clearance here. Ricketts. Referee said that's a foul on Ricketts. As you can see, Chapleton Maroons look a bit defeated. As players are going down. Clearance there again. Foul there. Infringement again on that. Here comes Christian. Pulls through. 10. A nice pass inside. Taken down again. Referee goes to the pocket. And gives Cole a yellow card. Free kick here. Pass out early. Here comes Malik. Chance here now. Race to United. It's Basco. And he goes around one. And taken out easily by Ellis. And the referee calls it. And it's seen enough. That is it, people. It's full time. Racing United 3, Chapleton Maroons 1. Interesting matchup here we have seen today, people. Really, really good matchup. Definitely. A matchup that we can say provided entertainment. Goals, everything that we need to conclude a very, very good game of football. Thank you very much, people, for tuning in. This is MG Sports TV, Jamaica Football Championship, full-time Racing United 3, Chapleton Maroons 1. Definitely an entertaining game. Broadcast brought to you by Mile 8 Sports. Thank you for watching, people. Thank you very much for watching. It is Jamaica Football Championship, and we will see you again. Stay tuned for the interviews of the coach and also man of the match.